choosing a broker sounds simple. You open an account, deposit some money, download a trading platform, and start trading. But in reality, this is where many traders make their first mistake. They choose a broker before checking who regulates it, which platforms it supports, what account types are available, or whether managing their money will be convenient. So before opening another trading account, here are 7 reasons why traders may consider IFX brokers. And by the end of this video, you should have a much clearer idea of whether it may be suitable for you. Let us start with the most important question. Who regulates the broker? Imagine finding a new broker online. The website looks professional. The spreads look attractive. The sign-up offer sounds exciting. But before looking at any of that, you need to know who the company is and which authority regulates it. IFX Brokers states that it is regulated in South Africa by the Financial Sector Conduct Authority, also known as the FSCA. Now, regulation does not mean that you cannot lose money while trading. It also does not guarantee that every trader will have a perfect experience. What it does mean is that you are dealing with an identifiable financial services provider operating within a regulatory framework. For South African traders, that may provide an added level of familiarity when comparing brokers. Once you are comfortable with the company, the next question becomes, can you trade on a platform you already understand? Some traders have used MetaTrader 4 for years. They know where everything is, they have their indicators installed, and they do not want to learn an entirely new platform. Other traders prefer MetaTrader 5 because it offers additional features, more time frames, and a more modern trading environment. With IFX brokers, traders can choose between MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5. This means you're not forced into only one platform. You can choose the option that better suits your experience, strategy, and preferred way of trading. Now imagine that you start by trading Forex. A few months later, you become interested in gold, then perhaps indices. Maybe you also want to watch cryptocurrencies or selected shares. Having access to different markets can be useful because traders do not always want to rely on one instrument or one type of market condition. IFX Brokers provides access to several CFD markets, including Forex, indices, commodities, cryptocurrencies, and shares. This allows traders to manage different instruments through one broker, instead of opening multiple accounts across different platforms. Of course, having more instruments does not automatically mean making more money. It simply gives you more choice. And sometimes, having the right choices available can make the overall trading experience more convenient. This brings us to one of the most important decisions. Which account type should you choose? When traders visit an account page, they may see options such as Cent, Standard, Premium, Raw, VIP, and Islamic. At first, this can feel confusing, but there is a reason for the different options. Not every trader has the same experience, budget, strategy, or trading goals. A beginner may want to start with smaller exposure. A general trader may prefer a simple account without a separate trading commission. A scalper may care more about tighter spreads. A more experienced trader may be looking for an account designed for higher trading volume. And some traders may require swap-free conditions. IFX Brokers offers several account types designed for different needs. This means you do not have to choose the most expensive option simply because it sounds more professional. You can compare the conditions and choose the account that makes the most sense for your own experience, budget, and strategy. We will break down each account type in separate videos on this channel. Now let us look at something that may be especially useful for South African traders. Account currency. Imagine that you earn in rands and deposit in rands, but your trading account is held in another currency. This can make your balance harder to understand because you constantly need to think about the exchange rate. IFX Brokers supports ZAR as an account currency option on selected accounts. For South African users, this may make deposits, balances, and withdrawals easier to understand. Instead of seeing everything only in dollars, you may be able to manage the account in a currency that feels more familiar. This does not remove trading or currency risk, but it may make account management simpler. Once your account is open, you still need a convenient way to fund it. And this is where the process can become frustrating with some brokers. A trader may discover that their preferred payment method is unavailable. Deposits take longer than expected, or unnecessary currency conversions are required. IFX Brokers lists several funding methods, including local online payment options, cards, electronic wallets, and selected digital currencies. The exact methods available may depend on your location and the options shown inside your client portal. For South African users, having access to familiar payment methods may make the deposit and withdrawal process more convenient. Before making a payment, always check the details carefully and make sure the payment method is registered in your own name. So now you have registered. Your account is verified. You have chosen a trading account and made a deposit. The final question is, how easy is it to manage everything? Through the IFX Brokers client portal, traders can manage trading accounts, view account information, move funds, check transaction activity, and access support-related tools. This matters because the broker experience does not end once the account is opened. You may need to create another account, transfer money between accounts, review your transaction history, or contact support. Having these tools available in one place can make the overall account management process easier. So, why might traders consider IFX Brokers? It starts with its regulatory status. Then there is the choice between MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5. Access to several CFD markets. Different account types for different trading styles. ZAR account options on selected accounts. A range of funding methods. And a client portal where you can manage your account. But remember, a broker is only one part of trading. It cannot give you discipline. It cannot manage your risk for you. And it cannot guarantee that your trades will be profitable. Before opening any live account, compare the current trading conditions, understand the fees, and make sure the account matches your own needs. You can find the IFX Brokers registration link in the description below. This is an affiliate link, which means I may receive a commission if you register or trade through the link, at no additional cost to you. Trading CFDs involves significant risk and may result in the loss of your invested capital. This video is for educational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice.